What's the meaning of confer? Confer. Confer.
Confer. Confer. The word confer means to discuss or exchange ideas with someone in order to make a decision or come to an agreement. When people confer, they usually share information and opinions in order to make a more informed decision about something. The result of conferring can be a better understanding of the topic, a consensus among the people involved, or a decision that is more likely to be successful because it was made with input from multiple perspectives. Overall, conferring is an important tool for effective communication and collaboration in many settings.